Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is fortify. Fortify is a verb that means to make someone or something stronger or more secure, so it can better withstand pressure, attack, damage, or weakness. For example, workers use steel beams to fortify the aging bridge, making it safer and more stable before heavy winter storms reach the surrounding mountain region. Manufacturers fortify some breakfast cereals with iron and vitamins, adding nutrients that may otherwise be missing or difficult to get from a person's usual diet. Before presenting her proposal, the manager reviewed the evidence to fortify her argument and prepare for difficult questions from the board during the meeting. Synonyms for fortify include strengthen, reinforce, bolster, secure, and brace. Fortify is often used in military, structural, emotional, and nutrition contexts, and it emphasizes making something stronger or more resistant, not simply adding more of it. That's fortify. One word, stronger English.